Hello, this is the Cadillac SRX 2010 to 16 hatch release switch replacement. You can follow these instructions to remove the interior trim from another user. So this is the new part I purchased, the GM 228-64426, directly from GM Canada. Now I'm going to show you the chrome panel holding the switch. Yes, so as you can see, there's many screws that holding the thing in place. This is the fancy version of the Cadillac SRX with the camera. I'm going to turn it around to show you how it's holding to the hatch itself, to the rear hatch itself. Two screws there, one there, another one there, a plastic tab to hold the thing in place, and another screw totally on the left side, right there. As you can see, there's one connector only. On that connector, you have the camera, the license plate, lamp, and the switch itself. This is the switch. I'm actually playing with it. I don't know if you can. I'm gonna be able to see it. There's two wires attached to a harness cable. I'm going to try to zoom in a bit so you can see better. So that's a better view of the cable, probably. Let's see. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, we can see very good. This is actually the two connector. I'm going to try to get a better view. Hold on. Yeah, that's good. So as you can see, the old switch and the new switch are different. The new switch is improved version. They actually have a real switch. The original version was some kind of PCB assembly covered with rubber. So basically, when the moisture got inside the PCB, it just stopped working. It was intermittent. On my car, the hatch would lift itself just by hitting a bump. So that's why I decided to change it. So now we're going to cut the two wires. So you need a pair of cutter. I'm going to grab them right now. So just make sure you cut only these two wires, don't cut the harness cable. So now I've put some soldered on the two loose wires that I just cut. You can see them right now. So this is the new switch. Make sure you install it the right way. There's a key on the right side, and there's a notch on directly inside the metal part. You can see the notch is right there. So install it that way. Cut the wires on the new switch about 6 inches long. So this is the switch already installed onto the chrome plate. This is the wire soldered to the existing wires. I'm going to put some tape, electrical tape, and then install this back to the car. Thanks for watching.